What's going on, everybody? It's Crypto Vision here, back again with another crypto market update. Today's video we're going to be looking at XRP and checking that out, giving just kind of a small update on everything. And so if you like today's video, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and leave a comment where you're tuning in from. I really appreciate that. So we got XRP here on the 2-hour chart. We're actually going to zoom back out to the daily. Oh boy, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. We do have a clean breakout above this trend line. Okay, this kind of sell wall that we've had going on since essentially since the middle of July, right? So, you know, almost 2 months, right? Almost 2 months of just sell pressure, and so now we're breaking out. Do we have? Oh wow, look at that. The daily. Oh wow, yeah, the RSI, the 50-day moving average. Oh, just okay. So the 20-day EMA is just below the 50. So we're getting some good price action on that. Look at this RSI though, the double entendre. We have a cross above the 45.37 moving average, triple entendre, right? All three. We have a cross above the 45.37, a cross above the moving average, and then a cross above the trend line. Okay, we have been stuck fighting down below this for a long time, right? Kind of tried to work your way back up, came back down to the midsection of this area. So let's close above this green area. Let's close above this and stay above this, and we are looking absolutely bullish, right? This area has just been very, very, very common to us for XRP. And so let's see what we got on the 2-day. Oh baby, look at that. That 2-day is beautiful. We are crossing over the 2-day, and we have a green dot. We just need momentum. That's the third part, right? We can't get too excited quite yet, but it is looking absolutely beautiful, phenomenal. We came up, bounced off the 45.37 the last time, right? The last time we did that, we lost it, right? Where were we? Right here. We're right here. We came up, tried to bounce, lost it, kind of just went down, and then you regained it and bounced off again, essentially right above it. You know, potato. So yeah, so that looks good. That looks very, very, very good. Very healthy. Very healthy. I do want to see us on the smaller time frames. Let's see what we're doing on the smaller time frame. Because we have these levels down here. Did we get overbought? We did. We just got to the overbought zone. So that's good, but now we got to get back up. We got to get back up. We cannot, especially with this price action, what this looks like. Yeah, you cannot just come back down. I mean, if we drizzle down, that's fine. That's fine. Come down to the 200-day. Worst case scenario, come back down to the trend line, then go. Okay. Let's see if I put on some fibs on here. I'm so sorry about that. Let me clear in here. Right, from the low to a high. All right, the 236. It's just above the, and then the, you know, I can actually remove these now because these are obsolete. Right, I'm gonna remove this bad boy right here. I'm gonna move this up. Obviously, because we broke through it, right? So we're looking to stay above the 382. 236. That's what we're looking to stay above now. So now we have levels because we've gotten above. Now we need to stay above, right? Got above, stay above. Continuation, right? You can come down to the 382. Really strong move on this little A wave. That would be really nice to get down below. Just stay above this 236. Really strong move. In general, what do we have going on here? I can get rid of this now. In general, what do we got going on? What do we got going on? What is this? Well, that took that out. So 1, 2. Let me see real quick. One, two. Yeah, I think so. I think it's a 1, 2, 1, 2. Got up to the 1, the 1, 1, 3. Let's see this 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's see this one right here. Past the 1618. Yeah, gonna try to find some support there. I mean, this is on the micro, right? This is on the micro time frame. 1, 2, 1, 2. It's looking like a third wave. So yeah, let's get up to that 307. That would be beautiful. Get up to that 307. I mean, 325 would be pretty extended. I would like to get to the 307, right? Because this is just that first wave that we're trying to get out of here on. Right, kind of work back down, drizzle, come back up, drizzle, and then go. Something like that, right? because this would still be the third wave coming up to the 2618, right? 2618, maybe wick just above it, come just above it, fourth wave move down, and then get a fifth wave move up. All right, close, get above this. We get above that, we are looking so good. We're looking so good. I can, and I will. I'll leave this up. I'll leave this up for everybody on the daily. Let me just leave this on the hourly though. I don't want this on the daily. Real quick on the daily, right? It looks like we have a 1-2. That's a beautiful 1-2. If you ask me, that is a beautiful 1-2. Beautiful setup. Beautiful setup. Oh yeah, we got room to run. That 307 mark, I just mentioned the 307 mark, right? Get the heck out of here. Get the heck out of here. Stay in your lane, buddy. Stay in your freaking lane, buddy. Right, that 307 mark, right? That 2618. That'd be really nice. That's the 1618. So I think at least we're going to get up to that 307 mark. Pardon me. That 307, we're going to see how we interact with that. Trickle down to the 1272. I mean, if we are right, this is just the first wave of the fifth wave. Hopefully, right? Hopefully this is the first wave of the fifth wave. So 1, 2. The third wave. I mean, it would be beautiful to come up to this 2618, 325, right? 325 to 356. That would be just gorgeous. Just shoot up, no doubt in anyone's mind, and then trickle down, trickle down, trickle down. Then start and going, get going, get out of here, right? start to get through these lower levels, and then we can start targeting these higher upper levels, right? For the fifth wave. The third wave needs to be explosive, so we need to get through all of this resistance on the third wave. So, yeah, so a 1-2. A setup on the daily, which is nice. And so yeah, get through here on this to the 356 mark. Definitely get above the 618 would be beautiful. You can trickle down, and then on the fifth wave you can start to think, you know, that $4 to $6 range, something in between there. So just for the meantime, right? Just for the meantime, because overall we are looking for definitely higher prices. So if we're going over, we're going to look at some CHAINLINK as well. We're looking at CHAINLINK. Oh, look at CHAINLINK. Look at CHAINLINK, baby. Right, we've come up to this 2320, the September open. We kind of found some resistance on CHAINLINK. And so this is on the daily chart. Right now, I really do just want to see us close above 2320. Right, for today, that's the goal. Get above 2320, close above 2320. We still have plenty of time to do it. We still have momentum. Right. Oh, look at that. Green dot on the daily. About to cross on the moving average on the RSI. About to get above the 52. Oh, baby. Hey, I think this week is going to treat us very well for those who have been strong and resilient in the markets, right? So, hey, matter of fact, if you like the video, hit that like button, subscribe for more. Leave a comment where you're tuning in from. I really appreciate it, and it helps out the channel. So, we do have some levels we've been calling out. We've been saying that we're bullish, right? We've been saying we're bullish, and we have some levels to stay above. We've stayed above all the levels, right? Stayed above this 382, big area, and now we're looking to move up, right? We're looking for CHAINLINK to have a, I mean, how much more is it? It's like probably like a 1% move, half a percentage, right? Just get above on half a percentage. It looks good. Still have plenty of room to move on the RSI. Plenty of room on the 8-hour. Boom! Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. That's why you're subscribed to the channel. Right? This 5201 level is huge, right? I think we're going to get a bounce right here. I think we're going to get a bounce. This looks really good. We just need some blue. We need some momentum. And look where the 50-day moving average is. It's quite, yeah, it's 2312. It's right there. We definitely need this 20-day EMA just to slam right above this 50. It'd be beautiful. It'd be glorious. Where are we at on the 4-hour? Why is this not drawn all the way? Is this on something else? This is on something else, isn't it? 1 to 4 hours. Maybe it's on the 2-hour. We'll leave that like that. This looks good. We have momentum. Let's go. We finally have some momentum. So what are we going to do with it? Right? What are we going to do with it? We are finding some resistance up through here. All right, up through here. I would like us to try to, like I said, get above the September open. We still have some areas that we need to get above, right? We're not out of the woods yet. We still need to get above, definitely the September open. We get above and close above this. I'm saying if we get above this 24.32 mark again, the low is in, right? We've used this multiple times, right? We got down below, look what we've done, right? You get down below, you're kind of borderline, right here too. Got rejected. What do? Came back down. We get above 24.32, we are looking great. Let's see where we're at in terms of just this little correction. Yeah, it came down to the 236. We're still above the 236. Looks good, looks healthy. You know, the lowest I'd want us to go is this 22.75 level. I mean, you could come down to 22.42, but it's just deep. And I'm not talking about this wave alone. Right, you come down, right? You come down in your little A, right? We're in right now. You come up in your B, and then you come down in your C. That'd be a very large C wave, right? If this is the A wave, let's just say this is the A wave, right? Let's play devil's advocate. Say this is the A wave. Boom, boom. 1618, 2271. What did we say before? I think I said something like that. That 2270, 2241. 2275. So 2275 to 2241, that would be a healthy correction. Anything in between there. Okay. So not a financial advisor, not financial advice, but everything looks good. Everything looks healthy. The reason being, if you're new to the channel, right? This channel, we base a lot of our price action not just on the charts, not just on RSI, moving average, Fu Manchu, MACD, whatever you want, your indicators, it doesn't matter. This is a chart that matters. This is the end-all be-all chart. This is stablecoin dominance, right? When it's inversely related. If this is going up, crypto is going down. When this is going down, crypto is going up, right? We're going down, right? Through all of July, from June to July, we're looking good, right? April, right? We hit those lows, and crypto's moving up. And where's November at? November. Don't do it to me like that. Okay, whatever. We're on the 4-hour chart. It's the same thing, right? I'm not lying to you. It's the same thing. So we do want a waterfall. We definitely want a waterfall. We have come down to this. I thought, if I'm being honest, when I saw us down below the 628, I was jumping out of my seat, so happy, because once we get down below here, right, the only thing left is this 200-day, right? Especially on the 4-hour, right? 4 hours is very respectable. We can even look at it on the daily, right? It's the same area. It's that 623 mark, all right? 623 mark. So same thing, right? You get down below here, you're getting down below the 50 on the daily, and you're getting below the 200 on the. That's the last line of support, right? Last line of support. So gosh, dang it, I always do that. I'm sorry. I put on the 637 again just because it was such a line of significance. Once again, I was, I knew I was gonna it was gonna come back and bite me again, and I was like, oh, I'll just leave the 637 on the smaller time frames. And then I look, and then we're closing right on the 637 or rejecting right on the 637. So just for those who are new, it's just an area of interest. I use areas of interest. It's not a fib level. You can't really find it anywhere, but it's just an area that this chart respects, right? We rejected it right here. Went down. All right, we got through over here. All right, 637, got above it. All right, went up. Okay, it's like that all throughout the charts, right? I'm not gonna go through again. You can watch one of the older videos, right? But it's that concept, right? We get below, we're bearish. We get above, we're bullish. Okay, so the charts can look any certain type of way. We can have all the negative news that the media wants to throw at us, all the FUD. JP Morgan saying, interest rate cuts are going to be sell the news event. It's going to be a bearish September. September's never good. October, November is when everything's going to go crazy. If everyone is saying that, if everyone is parroting that terminology of, oh, can't wait till November, can't wait till October, that's when the markets are going to go. September is going to be red. Guess what's going to happen? September is going to be green as heck. People are going to FOMO in, and then the end of the year is going to be bearish, right? We got to look and see how September reacts, but my thesis is we're going to do opposite of the herd, right? Crypto's mainstream, crypto's mainstay now. You're not going to get, the people who have been in the previous cycles and the bull market veterans or blah, 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 they're getting wrecked. Their calls are terrible. I see a lot of them. They're basing a lot of the information based on previous bull cycles. This is not it. I've gone through, I've looked at a bunch. This is just not normal. It's more constructive. It's more tame, right? It's a lot more traditional stock vibes. There is explosive moves, but to the downside it's more tame, to the upside it's more tame, until you get like a, you know, a 1 or a day, 2 day spread where something will go up 100% or 125%. You're like, whoa, and then it crashes, you know, 50%. So overall, we're being constructive, and so this is good. This is good. We definitely want to see this close below. I mean, this looks good right here. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Rejecting off the 200. I cannot wait to see what this does right here. I cannot wait to see what this 50 on the 2 hour. So 52 hour candles. That's the average. Once this crosses down below like this, it's over. It's over. Bears, just go get in your cave. Go get in your cave. Right, that is the sign that we are going to tank on stablecoin dominance. That is what I'm waiting for. That is this right here. You see this right here? I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. Look at that right there. And what do? We just tanked. Absolutely tanked. Let's look at one more and then I'll end the video. We'll look at one more and I'll end the video. Okay. What did we do? Where are we? You already know. You already know we're about to tank because we were way up here. We crossed it. Where did we cross it? Right here. Right here. And we just began to tank. Right, we just tanked. This is in June, and we just went up for all of June until like July. That's great. That's great. That's what we want to see, right? We want to see that 50 cross below that 100. So, if you like today's video, hey, hit that like button, subscribe for more. I'm a small channel, trying to get the news out there, trying to get the info out there to the peeps, to the retail, to people who are just trying to make some money for their families, right? Trying to make it in this tough world, right? I'm not going to sell you BS. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to tell you, hey, this is bearish, this is bullish. We are bullish right now. So stick around. I'm going to be going over some key charts that people don't talk about, okay? So I appreciate your time. Thank you for stopping by. Have a great rest of your day. Take it easy. Peace.